take it to the car show.
Wes, are you crazy?
You look beautiful tonight. Your dress so nice. I got a bottle of Moet on ice. Tell me how your day was. I'd love to know. It was tough, or the good thing is it doesn't show. What color are your eyes? Oh, hazel green. They blue from the neons in the limousine. Oh, you like this shirt? Thanks. I bought it in Cali. You never been. You asking, can we? I'll take you to LA, New York, whenever. House as well, or just to forget them. I know we'll make it. My heart is vacant. Friends first. We ain't gotta rush to get naked. Listen when you need somebody to talk to. Ever go, I'll make sure to call you. I know you're fresh out of a relationship, but riding with me ain't no wasted trip. I could put 20s on the Tahoe, fill your tank up when it's on low. Take it from apartments to a condo. Get your free tickets to the car show. I could put 20s on your Tahoe, fill your tank up when it's on low. Take it from apartments to a condo. Get your tickets to the car show. I wanna know about your problems, worries and fears. I'm Aisha from your ankles to your ears. Since I met you, life's been lovely. Things I worry about no longer trouble me. You make me smile and I dig your style. I like Jordans or the crocodile. I wanna hug and kiss you, be my bizzle. Take and painted candy blizzard. Cash is something I can wipe my ass with. I once club with a piece of plastic. I'm not saying it's the answer to everything, but I could put carrots on your cute little belly ring. Your ex still bugging, shit, I don't blame him. He did initiate what God had gave him. You can't keep a girl by keeping her down. If she a queen, or you gotta give her a crown. I could put 20